Hello and welcome back to Marta from Sparta. This is part one of the excellent episode, and we're gonna do really big project. So I have to split it for two videos. Today's video, I'm gonna quickly explain what I came up with. And I guess subconsciously I'm wearing the color which is kind of related to the video. So we're gonna make a pajama set, 3-piece pajama set with matching eye mask and oversized scrunchie with a huge bow. And yes, you saw probably pajamas, you probably saw this type of projects on other videos, but I am super excited about this specific one because you know that I love chickens, and I'm repeating myself like an old record, I know that, but I really do love chickens. And I try to get as many stuff as possible which are chicken related. So this project was inspired by my hair clip, okay? So when I was shopping with my husband at Joann's, that's a quick backstory, and on a big sale, there was this leftover fabric on sale. And guess what? I couldn't resist. So I got everything they had of this beautiful fleece. So I couldn't get more because they didn't have any more. That's all they had. So hopefully that will be enough for what I planned in my head. And in previous videos, we already did oversized scrunchie and we did eye mask, but we're gonna do it again in this video. But for that, guys, I got tiny print. And I was so lucky, and I'm telling you that this is pure luck, unplanned, that first I had this fabric at home, and I ordered it and online. I found it somewhere, I came across it, and I said I must have it, and in the future I'm gonna make something out of it. In the beginning I thought maybe I'm gonna make shorts. That was general idea, but then I saw this and I said, oh my god, this is just perfect for the scrunchie and the eye mask. And listen, it gets even better. I had already this hair clip, right? But to make it even cuter, I found buttons which actually look like a egg, fried egg, sunny side up, or fried egg, you call it. Guys, like, come on. Like, how cute this is. So this project will be cuteness overall. So in order to make a scrunchie and the mask, we're gonna reach to the project which I did before Christmas. That was my Christmas project, which you guys loved so much. And as far as pajamas go, I found this fantastic pattern online, and basically that's what we're gonna do. We're doing one top and shorts, ruffle shorts, and we're not doing a second top. We have same top again, but we're gonna make a long pajama pants with a ruffles on the bottom, so we can keep switching them, depends how the temperature is. So we have a lot of cutting. This pattern, which I purchased for these pajamas, was huge. Took me probably 3 to 4 hours just to print out, put it together, cut it out, and then put it on the trace paper in the size I wanted. And that was just preparing the pattern. It's huge pattern, it's huge project, it's gonna take a while. But also I have a helper this time. On my Christmas break, since Joann's had so big sale, I got myself a serger machine, which will be huge help in the future project and in this project. Also on top of that, I couldn't resist to get those electrical shears. With amount of cutting I have to do here, these bad boys gonna be so helpful. I didn't try them yet, so you're gonna try it with me on the camera. So in this video, we're gonna quickly cut everything, make a scrunchie, make an eye mask, and in the next video, we're gonna jump into putting pajama together, and it's gonna be step-by-step tutorial. So stay tuned, let's get started. We have a lot of work to do. So I put the fabric on the side. Let's set up the station, and today we're gonna cut everything. We just gonna put the mask together today and scrunchie together today, and we're gonna cut out all pieces for pajamas because that's gonna be like a lot of cutting, guys. So we're gonna, as I said, split this project 2 parts, and we're gonna start with something easy and satisfying, so we're gonna get instant results. And on video number 2, since we're gonna have cut a pattern already prepared, we will just do sewing step-by-step tutorial. And this design seems to be very complicated, so I'm gonna take you on my journey and you guys gonna learn from me. So come on, let's do it. Okay, I cut everything only for the mask and for the scrunchie, okay? And I'm gonna put this really quickly together because I made so many scrunchies and masks already. I am adding interfacing for both sides of my mask because I want mask to not be too see-through, right? It's a sleeping mask. So I want it to not be too see-through when I am actually wearing it. So I decided to add interfacing to both sides of the mask, or you can also add additional layer of fabric. Instead of cutting 2, you can cut 3, and that also will do the job. So I'm gonna quickly iron interfacing on my mask, then put scrunchie super fast together, and we're gonna be done, and we're gonna be ready to cut pajama pattern, which also it's a challenge, which I will explain once we're gonna get to it. Okay, so we did already scrunchie and we did already eye mask, so I'm not gonna explain like in details, just like a high level. I'm gonna link the description for the original video in the description video here, so you can go back and watch really detailed tutorial how to make it. But just quickly, this is the back of the scrunchie of the eye mask. We gonna sew it half together, then we gonna attach it to the mask when we gonna put a elastic band in it, and then we gonna start to put mask together. Very simple, very straightforward. I'm linking the detailed video tutorial in description below, so check it out, okay? It's snowing and it's getting dreamy outside again. snowing, and sleeping mask, I'm sorry, this way, and my excellent sleeping scrunchie are both ready. So now we're gonna attack cutting the big design. I'm gonna clear up this area because it's huge design. I need a lot of space, and probably I'm gonna use my excellent clip to clip my hair, and we're gonna think through how to be able to use whatever I could get in Joann's in order to get 3-piece pajama set. And maybe I'm gonna have to decide either long pants or shorts, because obviously I have to do the top. But we will see how much fabric it really is on it and what we can do about it and how we can plan it. Okay, that's all we have, and we want to get from this to this. So good news are that I made it with the shorts. So we're gonna have 3-piece set. And I don't think there are bad news because I just don't have enough fabric for pockets for both bottoms. So I just have to decide if I want to pockets in shorts or in my longer pants, or I don't want pockets at all because I own so many pajamas, but I never use the pockets. So I don't even know if I'm gonna use the pockets, which I already cut. So for now, I'm gonna plan to do pockets in my shorts because I would probably use them more often during the springtime on the yard and yada. Or I might skip pockets at all. So I'm not sure about that. I have one set of pockets and I'm aiming to do pockets in my shorts since I think short pajama top bottoms, I'm using majority time of the year, and the long ones I'm just using during the winter season. So I think if so, that's gonna do that. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just organize all of it by piece. So pajama top, bottom, and shorts.
And hey, if you have expensive taste like me and you want to keep your bank account happy as well, this is the right place for you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week.